What is ringing, guys? It's Ringer here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Amazon Echo chime like you've seen on my Alexa chimes video. So first you're going to have to say the wait word, which is Alexa. Then you've got to say this.
I didn't get that. By the way, when you see the yellow light ring on your device, it means you have a notification or message. Just say,
Alexa,
replay notification.
Start Audible clock.
Welcome back to Audible clock. Please note, a clock's audio stream will stop if you ask me to play a song, radio station, podcast or playlist. If that happens, please relaunch this skill to get things ticking again. To start an Audible clock, just tell me the name of the clock you want to use. Say something like, cuckoo clock, close encounters, or say, what clocks do you have? Now,
if you're not I did, do this.
Like?
Grandfather.
My first 3 grandfather clocks are Whittington clock, Ave Maria clock, and Beethoven clock. To start a clock, just say
you can
its
even
name.
do Big Ben.
You can also say more to hear more grandfather clocks.
Westminster.
Would you like Westminster clock to chime every quarter hour, half hour, or hour?
Quarter hour.
Okay, starting Westminster clock. The first chime is due to sound in about 11 minutes.
Yeah, so with it, I won't be able to show it because my mum's battery's low on her phone. My phone's got low storage, so I can't do vids on my phone currently, so I use my mum's phone if I'm doing it when I'm with her. See, she's sat right up there. Yeah, you can also do Big Ben with it, but if yeah. You could hear it ticking if, hopefully, on the vid dot. I'm going to end it here because that's the way how to make it chime. You can do more than just grandfather and Westminster and Beethoven and stuff. So, if you enjoyed it, please ring subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.